So, I haven't filmed one of these for ages, but welcome back. This is the first of vlogging as a graduate. I'm now a graduate. Anyway, more on that in another video. Getting ready to watch England play the Euro, for opening match for the Euros, and we're going camping tonight. So, this is my new camera bag. All the camera equipment goes in the bottom, zips out the back. And I'm going to do like a full video review on this. I just need to put the tent in, which is behind me here. But yeah, sleeping bag, everything in there is great. Me and Jay are going to go across to the Roseland Peninsula, getting the boat from Falmouth to St Moors to Place Harbour, and then do a little walk around to the other side, get to a beach, and then we're going to camp there overnight and then come back tomorrow morning. I don't know how much we're actually going to sleep because we're going to stay up doing star photos. So probably like 2:30, maybe 3, and then we want to be awake for sunrise, which is like at 4. So probably won't get much sleep. I've got quite a busy day tomorrow as well, so will be interesting tomorrow how I cope. But I'm excited to try this, and it's a lovely day. We went out last night and the stars are incredible. I've just been packing all day and getting ready, so I haven't been outside yet, but it's baking. Anyway, I'm going to finish packing and then watch the football match, and yeah, then we'll go. I'll try and film as much as possible and do a little vlog. Might be a bit overkill for one night, but I wanted to try the bag out as much as possible. So it's quite heavy, but it's got straps, it's all good. England, I think, have won 1-0. I'm quite sure. I left before the game ended, but I'm walking down to go meet Jay now. So we're on the boat, got our bags ready. It's a tasty day. Thank you. Cheers guys, take care. All the kit, we're gonna get the R5 out now, rented for the weekend. We'll fly the drone later. Yeah, that's a fly. So, this is another beach. I'm on the GoPro at the moment. I'm thinking about maybe trying this out more. Just doing like live view so you can see through here, like my composures and stuff.
Like bow and arrow fishing on TikTok.
Oh my god.
You could do that here, so we they're everywhere.
There's what's the show? There's a show that Henry and Harry showed me, and it's about like this American who basically just hunts things. Which is like a bit depressing, but yeah, here's the house. It was absolutely nuts. Yeah, we've got like a moat. If we go left, we can go along the coast path a little bit. It's so nice, isn't it?
No, you had the bar. We were going somewhere after.
So yeah, I reckon just anywhere around here, to be honest, we can go. So we've reached our sort of coastal area for the night, and we're just looking for a place to put up camps now. No cows is a specification that is high on the list. So we think this might be where we're gonna go for tonight. Nice grassy sort of bit, surrounded by the water. It's almost high tide, so and it's a spring high. So it will start going down. So it'll be low about midnight, and then it'll be high again at 6. By which point we'll be up and probably on our way back. So I think this could be a good spot for tonight. Me and Jay were literally just saying, why has it taken us 3.5-ish years to do this? Considering we've been here for the entirety of our degree. But oh well, we shall enjoy it whilst we have it. I'm gonna go for a quick dip before the sun goes down because it's still really warm. So I'm just gonna warm up as soon as I get in. But quickly. Mask. GoPro. What is that?
You gotta commit.
Oh, it's refreshing. Oh, it's so cold. On a scale of 1 to cold, ice cube. If that makes any sense. This pool's a little bit warmer. There's also crabs in here. I chose to get bitten. Found him.
I could like do that TikTok about the hippo who gets out the water.
Here he comes.
So we're just doing some sunset photography using these lines in the fields and stuff and down the coast. It's really nice. Just trying to find the right composition. I'm going to do more of this on this channel. I'm going to make this into a proper photography channel, so I can go through like specs and like what I'm looking for and composition and all that sort of stuff in more videos. Got lots planned for this channel. Alright, tents are all up, ready to go. Should we make a fire? Let's do it.
I reckon like on the rocks a bit, so our tents don't smell of smoke.
Can't really see me. It's really spooky. I'm just sat by the fire, still going strong. We've gone through almost a whole wooden pallet that we found on the beach. The tide has gone really far out. Our cameras are all ready, set to go. I've done like a practice shot and it's good. I've also got some foreground to like layer in. And it is almost time to start shooting the stars. It is very dark now. Still a little bit of, you can't see on this camera, but yeah, still a bit of light like behind me, coming from like, I don't know, just the sun maybe still going down. It is summer. And then loads of light pollution that way from Falmouth. That's Jay's torch there. He's just doing a little exploring of the rock pools. We might try and do some like star reflections in the pools because they're dead flat now. So we'll attempt that as well. And also sunrise is at I think 5:08 and it comes up like sort of directly in front of us, so we will be watching that. I don't know why it doesn't turn off. Okay, you can't see anything. morning now, but I'm going to sleep. It's about 3:15 and we're going to get up at 4:15 to watch the sunrise. Good night. Good morning. It is sunrise. Very nice to see that come up, and we're just going to grab some images and then pack our tents up. On our way. I'm filming on the R5 now because I filled my iPhone up, so if the sound is better or worse I'm not sure. We're going along the coast now to St Anthony's Head, and then we'll work our way back to the ferry, which I think is at 8:15 or 8:45. Jay's gonna climb the wreck mast. There is a seal. So I'm going to have to speak up because I think the wind's probably drowning me out a little bit. Jay's going to go and stand over there. I'm going to take a photo of him. It's going to look epic. And also some more seals bobbing around in the water. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is like, you can quite often see a lot sleeping down here. Just like down the bottom down there. To this place. Come on, line up. There we go. Yoosh. A sheep has got into the cow field, but is it really a sheep? Or an albino cow? Whoa, look, he looks angry. She looks angry. We're gonna have to go past it. Final destination. So this is St Anthony's Head. The lighthouse is just down there. I will put a bit of old footage in because I don't think we're going to walk down to the lighthouse. It's a bit of a trek. You can't really see much. The stuff that I've got isn't really good, so I'm going to put that in now. And it's probably 2 kilometres back to the boat from here. And we've made it back to the pontoon. It's very close to my head. We're just going to wait for the boat. We've got the first one back. Didn't think we were going to do that. We have absolutely paced it. And we've done 7.5 kilometres already this morning. Oh.
4.66 miles.
Thank you, Siri. So after an hour waiting, we thought the boat was at 8:15, but it was actually at 9:15, so we've just been chilling in the shade. It's finally here. We're going to go home. I'm going to go and get bacon bap from Tesco's, or the ingredients for. Go home and then smash that, and then I'm going to sleep. Yeah? It is Saturday night and the last clip was filmed on Monday morning, so it's the end of the week and I did exactly what I said I was going to do. I went home and fell straight asleep after eating my bacon pap. I'm now just editing. It's got a little bit of render going on. There's a lot of frames. It was more earlier. Yeah, nearly done. Just last little touching up. Probably some of them was filmed in like a really flat film profile, so I just need to like put some colour back into those, and then it is ready to go up on YouTube. It was a really good weekend, or not weekend, just a night and a day really. Very tired. I took like 3 days to recover from it, and like I then went out that night because I got my results and stuff. But I'll make some more videos in the next few days, just maybe a bit talky, and I can go through everything that might be happening in the next couple of months or so, or might not be happening, because yeah. Anyway, hope you have a good evening. It is evening here, and enjoy your weekend. I nearly forgot, it would not be a Hamish vlog without the classic, and don't forget, travel, discover, explore.